Hey everybody, just wanted to show you a little project that I'm working on today. This is my 2005 Honda Rebel motorcycle, and it had this old front tire on it. This is the old tire here, and it was starting to get some dry rot, so I needed to replace that. So I ordered a new tire and did the installation this afternoon. And here you can see the new tire. Did have a little bit of a mishap when I had it jacked up. It actually, the motorcycle fell over, and this jack stand here made contact with the fuel tank, which this is actually an old dent that I already had from before. Which wasn't a big deal because that's easy to pop out, but the dent that I caused today is right here. It's kind of hard to see when you're not looking at it in 3 dimensions, but you can see there's paint that's coming off there, and it's a big dent. I don't think I can fix this one to a point where it's gonna not look bad, so I'm probably just going to order a new tank, but everything works. Having the dents there is not a safety issue. The tank still holds gas, so no big deal. It's ready to ride, so I'm excited about that. Today was a perfect day to work on this. It was 80 degrees outside, so I figured I'd get it done. So that's about it. There you go.